Okay guys, so watch me go from this to this in this wash and go video.
Curls are back! Yo, this is gonna be so bomb. Can I just show my hair without this product for a second? But who?
That's how I felt when I first did my wash and go.
I don't think y'all understand. Are y'all seeing this? It's been a while. I don't do wash and goes. Like, I don't do wash and goes, okay? Just want to put that out there again. But bear with me here. Bear with me. We're going to get it done together. As soon as I get this thing open. Yes, curls, come back. I love y'all so much. I missed y'all so much too. So much.
Okay, so from the top, I'm taking my leave-in conditioner, which is the SheaMoisture Jamaican black castor oil. I'm combing that through my hair to evenly distribute it. Then I'm going in with my curl enhancing smoothie, which is also by SheaMoisture, and I'm just smoothing that through, really working that in. Then I go in with my dimming brush, smoothing that out, making sure those curls are popping. Then I take my Eco Styler gel from the top to the bottom to help define those curls. Now once you do that section, you go back through with some extra gel. You can really feel when you're doing your hair where you need the extra gel. You can tell that it's dry or frizzy. Yes, sis, with the curls. Yes.
I would say like the exact front last, like to do both of the fronts at the same time, so you could like.
Oh, alright.
No, but if it's still like, you can still cut that section. It's okay.
No, it's
Okay.
it's fine in general. I think I'm gonna do it your way.
Really quick, here you can see which side of my hair is defined and has a product in it and which doesn't. So it definitely makes a difference, and you definitely want those curls to pop. So you should definitely do this wash and go process, okay? Not sure if you guys noticed that, but I did not use any oil on this wash and go, and it still came out bomb. I just don't, like, oil just doesn't work out on my hair. So I only use creams and gels, and it didn't flake up or anything. It dried well, and yeah, like, no oil.
Okay guys, so this is my wash and go. My curls back, y'all. I'm hype. I am hype. You can't see my face, but I'm hype. Okay, so I'm gonna let this dry, and then we're gonna see how it looks. I can't believe this.
To see how this wash and go looks dry, check out my sister tag video in the link above.